Orange County Drug and Alcohol Rehab Center, Crescent Moon Recovery LLC. At Crescent Moon Recovery, we understand that recovery from substance use disorder, SUD, or alcohol use disorder, AUD, isn't just a physical endeavor. What are co-occurring disorders? Mental health disorders and substance use disorders are often connected and co-occurring. It is common that the presence of these disorders leads to the misuse of substances because an individual may have never learned healthy coping mechanisms to treat their mental health and may be using drugs or alcohol to self-medicate these symptoms. Why treating co-occurring disorders is important in addiction recovery. The symptoms of these disorders can be incredibly difficult to manage and can even become debilitating if left untreated. Co-occurring disorders can cause another obstacle in recovery from addiction because they often hinder a person's ability to think positively. Common treatments for mental health disorders. Like addiction, mental health disorders can affect everyone differently. That's why there are many different treatment options available, even among people with the same diagnosis. Here are some common forms of treatment for mental health disorders. One of the most commonly used forms of therapy for individuals with substance use disorders and mental health disorders, psychotherapy, is when a person talks with a trained therapist in a trusted setting about their struggles and their life. Treatment of co-occurring disorders at Crescent Moon Recovery. Attention deficit/hyperactivity disorder, ADHD. Are different forms of treatment. Choosing the right recovery center for you. Crescent Moon Recovery's mission is centered around reinventing lives by treating addiction through evidence-based treatments. As our participants begin to adjust to sober living, we provide them with coaching in various social areas, such as school or work. In terms of healing the body, Crescent Moon Recovery provides its participants access to a nutritionist who can set health and wellness goals, teaching the importance of a healthy diet and regular activity. We are committed to encouraging participants to go to any lengths to living a sober life and are relentless about the importance of having a strong foundation rooted in a community that supports sobriety. Participants of Crescent Moon's recovery programs have the benefits of the outdoors, accredited therapies provided by caring, invested professionals, as well as a supportive community of peers to spend time and build relationships with. Co-occurring disorders and substance abuse disorders are closely linked, and the presence of mental health disorders can make recovery even more difficult. It is important that both of these disorders are identified and treated simultaneously for a strong recovery and to prevent relapse. Crescent Moon Recovery can provide help in both areas through many different forms of therapy and holistic treatments that can be personalized to meet your unique needs. Call us today at 714-464-8474 to learn more and explore treatment options.